What's up? It's Andy here from Mr. and Mrs. Delicious, and today we're going to be making fabulous deep dish mini pizzas. They're just incredible, super easy to make, and with this homemade basil infused dough, they are just delectable. So let's get started. First, we're going to need a muffin pan just like this. So we're going to make 12 mini deep dish
pizza pies.
Olive oil just to make it not stick. Next, I'm going to take our homemade basil infused no mixer dough. Take my rolling pin and I'm just going to roll out the dough. Perfect. Nice and thin, even thickness of dough. I'm going to get a small ramekin just like this. I'm going to use it as a cookie cutter. And what this is going to do is cut us a perfect size so that we can fit the dough inside our muffin tin here. So I'm going to cut 12 even slices of dough. Now I'm going to take the rest of my dough, mix it all up. We can set this aside for later. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take our little dough and we're going to roll it out nice and evenly. You want to maintain that circular shape when you roll it out. I love this recipe because it's pizza. What's not to love? They're small little pieces. Everybody can have a few for parties. Family's gonna love them. They're completely homemade. And you can see the basil, super, super thin. Now that we're done this, we're gonna take our dough again. At this point, I'm gonna wanna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So I'm gonna do that now. In order to make it a real pizza pie, we need to put on the top of the pie. And I'm gonna put a little pie lid covering each one. So I'm gonna cut that out right now.
These circles are gonna be smaller than the last ones, and I'm not gonna roll these ones out.
Look at that, you can bake that just like that. Holy pizza. And push them down, just shape them a little bit in. We're gonna grab our marinara sauce and we're gonna evenly put a scoop in each one. Wow. Oh yeah. Interesting, exciting little pizzas. We're gonna evenly put a little bit of cheese in each one. Beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, and those little pie lids just fit so perfectly right on there. Look at that. The edges just fold over. And it's just perfect.
The oven's preheated to 350 degrees. I'm gonna throw these in for about 15 to 20 minutes. Wow. So we got our fabulous mini deep dish pizza pies. What I would suggest, leave them sitting 5 to 10 minutes, let them cool off, let them harden up a bit, and then we're gonna pull them out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe right down there and turn your notifications on, the little bell. We have so many more fantastically delicious recipes on the way.
Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, check out one of our other fantastic videos on our channel. And if you're new to the channel, why don't you check on our 2019 year in review? And then you can kind of get to know us a little bit. Until next time, this is Mr. Delicious signing out.